I think it's time now that we begin to look forward to the next generation of West Indies T20 cricketers, and we specify T20 because this is the version that is keeping the West Indies relevant in the game. It's the version where we have last conquered the world, and of course the version that is most suited to the physical and mental propensities of the Caribbean players. And it's obvious that the likes of Chris Gayle and Bravo and Rampal and maybe Pollard and Russell, this will most likely be their last hurrah. So we're going to have to build a new core going forward, led of course by the likes of Nicholas Pooran and Shimron Hetmyer. We need a new breed of T20 batsmen to either become more efficient boundary hitters or some others who are better equipped technically and cerebrally. Players who are adept at playing situational cricket, guided by simple common sense, which would also include rotation of the strike and taking more ones and twos. Now the major challenge will be to turn these young players away from wanting to be like Chris Gayle and Andre Russell and Kieron Pollard, who are successful and wealthy boundary hitters doing exactly what we will be telling these youngsters not to do. So yeah, you mean, God, go we do.